stock, crypto, credit moves. Good morning, YouTube. Back for another quick video on baked beans. Guys, this platform just continues to amaze me. I mean, it's just a monster. It just keeps printing B&B daily. I mean, this is a monster. I'm not your financial advisor, but I'm just showing you what I do to create cash flow. And this is definitely a cash cow. And it's up to 7,693 contracts. Guys, when I got in this about a month ago, it maybe it was 500 or 600 contracts. I mean, this thing is amazing. And they've actually added a coin now that makes this platform even sustainable, because 5% of the coin transactions are going back into the B&B contracts, which is actually stabilizing the platform, and it's just running this thing up. At this point, I believe we can go to 15,000 or even 20,000. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to reinvest for the next 30 days and compound this income. So right now, I'm at about half a B&B a day. Half a B&B is about $200 B&B. A whole one is $447. So I'm about at a half. So that's $223 a day. Now, the way compound interest works, if I compound this income for 30 days, you actually put a zero on the end of this income. So you're looking at $2,200 a day. And that's just how compound interest works. By reinvesting, you increase your income. And you're getting 8% a day. So that ends up turning into $2,200 a day, which is about 5 B&Bs a day. That's amazing. So that's what I'm going to do with this platform here, as it looks stable and it looks like it want to stay around for a while. Guys, go ahead and get started with this. I have a how-to video and how to sign up and get started with baked beans, but you definitely don't want to miss out on this opportunity. These don't come around every day, and it really can change your financial situation where you're no longer worried about the bills no more. 2 days worth of payouts on this can pay all your bills, depending on how many you have. And it just takes the stress off of you. More time to go do what you want to do. But I'm not your financial advisor. If you like this content, I would love to have you subscribe, share it, comment. Until next time, signing off.